Hi everyone, I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is my week 4 discussion board contribution. My name is Erin McBride. I'll just go ahead and get that out of the way. And this is for the Psych 112 course. Here is a picture of me holding a human brain. I work in research and we focus on the neurodevelopmental disorders that affect specifically the front portion of the human brain. So this is just me. We also do a lot of scientific outreach, and we went to a classroom of, I think they were 5th or 6th graders, and got to show them a lot of different types of brains. As far as future job descriptions and duties, I'm interested in and feel very serious about pursuing clinical psychology. That career entails diagnosing and evaluating mental and emotional disorders of individuals and administering programs of treatment. This also includes interviewing patients in settings like clinics, hospitals, and other settings. Also, clinical psychologists study medical and social case histories of patients, and this is all just for the betterment of mental health. Additionally to this, and what I'll get into this slide, basically that for required education, you could either go about it in 2 different ways, either a PhD or a PsyD in psychology. In addition to being a practicing clinical psychologist, I'd also like to continue practicing research. And so that's why I personally feel like a PhD would fit my career plans and educational goals the best. Okay, relationship of your education to your 4-year plan. I already have a Bachelor's of Science in Biochemistry, but now with a change in interests, I am spending this next year working on the prereqs that I need in order to apply to graduate programs in psychology, in clinical psychology specifically. These would include cognition, other courses like research methods, statistics, abnormal psych, etc. So I'm giving myself a whole year. There's very little overlap with, at least not enough overlap for me to have had any of the prereq courses while pursuing a biochemistry degree. And so I'm very excited for this next year to continue taking these courses and preparing for grad school. After that 1 year, the next year, 4 to 5 years, I plan to be in grad school and really enjoying it. Here's an example of my 4 to 5 year plan. I go all the way up until summer 2028, which sounds so far in the future, but I'm sure we'll be there in no time, and hopefully we'll all have gotten so much closer to our goals in the psychology field. All right, why major in psychology? In chapter 13 of our textbook, then it gives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 awesome example or reasons why students have considered majoring in psychology. The ones that stand out to me the most, again, I'm not majoring in psychology, I'm just taking courses. I majored in biochemistry, but there's a bit of overlap in terms of I have a strong interest in psychology subject matter. I want to become a professional psychologist, and I want to prepare for graduate school, a graduate degree rather. This is my contribution to the week 4 discussion board, and I look forward to seeing everyone else's contributions as well.